Unlike the original BoxMate, which is optimized for specific widths like 1x4 or 1x6, the Flex lets you cut box joints in any width of wood. It uses the exact same half-inch guide bush and 3 8-inch router bit and features a precise 3 8-inch indexing tube. What that means in practice is this: you can use BoxMate-Flex to create the outer shell of a shelf or cabinet, and then switch to, for example, BoxMate 1x8 to create perfectly symmetrical drawers for the inside. All BoxMate jigs are fully compatible, allowing you to mix and match freely depending on your project. It's also good to know that with BoxMate-Flex, you can test cut your material first, and once you've completed all your box joints, you can trim the ends of your boards for a symmetrical result. It just takes a bit more planning up front, something that's already built into the fixed width BoxMate 1x4 through 1x10 jigs. Using BoxMate-Flex is simple and intuitive. After making your first pass with the router, you lift the material and slide it so that the last cut slot aligns perfectly with the Flex Jig's indexing tooth. This tooth is exactly 3 8-inch wide, the same as your router bit, so once it clicks into place, you're ready to cut the next slot. Repeat this process step by step, and your joints will always stay perfectly spaced. The flexibility of the system means you can create box joints across any length of material. One important tip: always mark your reference face and the starting edge. That way every cut lines up correctly and your finished joints will be clean and tight. BoxMate-Flex opens up new possibilities in your joinery, giving you full control over the width of your projects, while keeping the precision and ease of use you expect from the BoxMate system. Whether you're building large cabinets or custom storage boxes, Flex lets you think outside the standard sizes. You'll find both the Imperial and metric versions linked below, and don't forget, Flex is fully compatible with all other BoxMate jigs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, or share it with a fellow maker. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more woodworking tools and project ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy woodworking!